let's talk a minute about Parent Enrollment Packets and Information Packets. So these are just things that you can put together fairly quickly, inexpensively, still looking, professional without being overboard. This is like a little business card I made. I put magnets on the back. I just edited that off a little app. Worked out pretty good. Here's my information packet. So parents that just want to come by and just see how things are, it's nice to give them something so they don't walk away. And then this would be the actual enrollment packet. So if they decide they want to enroll with me, when they come back, this is what I can have ready to go to give them, has everything they need for enrollment. So let's look in the information packet. So I've got my little brochure right here that I've made. It's just some information, just a nice little overview of my family, a little bit about me. So this logo here, I just had somebody make this on Etsy. You can have people make logos there with your name in them for anywhere from like $20 up to $60 plus. I think this one was maybe around $30. So next here, you can make a little few words about your philosophy, your curriculum, and then what your learning environment looks like, and how you'll utilize that. And then last, about meals. Those are just kind of the top things parents want to know about. And then I've included some pictures here just in case this was something that maybe I popped in the mail or they couldn't actually meet me. They just wanted to grab the information first. And so that's just a nice thing. I think that's something you can use for years in your program. Inexpensive to print up. So I made this little flyer sheet about what is Montessori. I'm a Montessori pre-K teacher, so some people are just curious about that. If you're play-based, you can just do a little thing about play-based so they understand what it looks like. So this is an app I utilize called Brightwell. Most parents are just very happy about this and not having to go through Facebook. It's absolutely free. You virtually check the kids in. It gives parents updates. Each child has their very own little profile, very safe and secure. Just a nice, cool thing. You can also do payments through that. This is just something I printed off. I actually copied this from the food program class that I took. Just made this up on my printer, has two sides. It's just really something to add in there that explains the food program to parents. And then here's a little menu. So this is a sample. I'm not sure if I'm going to be creating these every week, but didn't want to have something that was like current, just something to give them an example of what our week would look like as far as food goes and what they can expect from that. These are really cheap little menus. I think this is a template I got off of Teacher Paid Teacher for like $2. They go by the months. And then over on this side, I included the preschool curriculum that I use. They have some really great free printables on their website, so I can include that, and that just looks really professional, and parents know that when they're coming, their kids are doing something really neat. And then also this is their little art flyer. So just anything from the things that you utilize in your program that have like free flyers or things that you can download that you can add. The more you can add to that, just the better and more professional it looks without just really even costing anything. And then this one I had copied before I printed up my own schedule, but it follows this almost to a T. So this was free also, and anyone's welcome to use these. I'll put the link below. They have a lot of free resources that are really cute, and if you have a printer, easy to print off. Also these family questionnaires, which this is just something when they take it home, they can fill it out. And then when they come back for the enrollment, you've got some more information about the family and some things about the child. So then this is just a little overview. It's probably not super necessary, but it's just the themes that we'll be going over through the next year, month by month, in the Mother Goose Time curriculum. So right here, this is when they come back and they're ready to sign the documents. Their documents will be in this little bag. So these bags are like $1 on Amazon. You can buy them in a big pack. And this can be used over and over. The kids can use this bag as a, like a little send home with the things that they did that day, or else even just soiled clothes, or just kind of like a back and forth bag. So in here I've got my parent handbook. I'm still kind of working on these. This is kind of a rough draft example. I'm updating it. But just, you can get even a template and kind of make it your own. They have those on Teacher Paid Teachers. There's even some free ones, because it is really overwhelming at first, but you kind of just adjust it and add it to what, your licensing needs, and then what you want in your program and you want parents to abide by. And so this folder is going to have the actual documents that come from, I'm in the military FCC program, so this is the FCC documents, and my director put this packet together. If you're running your own home, this is probably where you would include your contract and your documents, and just have a little packet in there. Parents get a copy, I get a copy, and then they can send this blue folder back. I'll put the child's name on it, and then I'll just go in my my file. And then this one will have their change of clothes. So I've got this little sticker here I downloaded from Teacher Paid Teachers, put the child's name on it, and then this inside I just inserted a little list of everything to include. And then, I made a bunch of these up so that when their clothes are soiled, I can put them back in, send them home in this, and give them a fresh bag. And then, again, just all goes here together. So you get the idea here. It's just really a way to get your stuff put together and organized, and bringing it to that next level of looking professional.